Do we need to use a chemical disinfectant on every surface, every day? Focus disinfecting on high-touch and high-traffic areas first, not every surface. Identify and list the surfaces that receive frequent hand contact, such as doorknobs, light switches, faucet handles, toilet flush levers, appliance buttons, and shared electronics, and clean those with an appropriate chemical disinfectant daily when there is an infection risk or high occupancy. For porous surfaces like fabric or wood, vacuum and launder, or use an approved product labeled for that material rather than widespread spraying, which can damage finishes and waste product. Use a two-step approach where visible soil is removed with detergent and water or an all-purpose cleaner before applying a registered disinfectant so the product can contact the surface and work effectively. Follow the label contact time exactly because wiping early is a common way to reduce efficacy. If a label says it needs 10 minutes of wet contact, ensure the surface stays visibly wet for that duration. For routine low-risk days, use spot cleaning and targeted disinfection as needed to conserve supplies and reduce chemical exposure. And reserve full room disinfection for after known contamination events or periodically on a set schedule. When using concentrated products, dilute precisely using measuring tools or pre-measured wipes to avoid underdosing that fails to disinfect or overdosing that causes residues and harms materials. The three most common mistakes are over-disinfecting low-risk surfaces, which wastes product and increases exposure, neglecting the cleaning steps so the disinfectant cannot work, and failing to follow label directions, especially contact time and dilution. If you are over-disinfecting, switch to a checklist that separates high-touch from low-touch surfaces and set a daily routine only for the high-touch list. If you skip cleaning, adopt a 2-bucket or 2-cloth method where one cloth removes soil with detergent and a second applies disinfectant so residue does not block activity. If you do not follow labels, keep the product label accessible and post key instructions near cleaning supplies and use ready-to-use wipes or sprays for staff who will not measure dilutions. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors around home maintenance topics including practical disinfecting practices. We help homeowners find local contractors and allow contractors to find work while also hosting an active discussion community where we can share tips, ask questions, and learn from real experiences.